Now, magnetic effect of current chapter. Short notes. Right hand thumbs rule. Find out directions of A vector into B vector. Biot-Savart law. Biot-Savart law. Del B vector is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi in bracket I del L vector into R vector upon R vector to power cube. Magnitude of del B vector dV is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sin theta upon R square. Magnetic field vector quantity SI unit Tesla 1T is equal to 10 के power 4 Gauss. Other unit Gauss. I del L vector is equal to current element R vector. Positions of P where we want to calculate magnetic field with respect to current element. Calculations of magnetic field due to different shape of current carrying wire. A straight wire B is equal to mu naught I upon 4 pi R in bracket sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2. R perpendicular distance between P and wire. Directions for the particular case. Infinite wire B is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi R. Semi-infinite wire B is equal to mu naught I upon 4 pi R in bracket sin theta plus sin 90. B is equal to mu naught I upon 4 pi R. Solenoid cross-sectional view. Magnitude field on the axis of infinite length solenoid. B is equal to mu naught Ni upon 2 in bracket cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. This formula is valid only where terms very close to each other. Ideal solenoid infinite length solenoid. L is greater than R, then B is equal to mu naught Ni. Magnetic field inside of ideal solenoid B is equal to mu naught Ni upon 2. Magnetic field at corner of ideal solenoid B is equal to 0. Magnetic field outside ideal solenoid. Properties of magnetic field line MFL. North to south. Properties of magnetic field line MFL. Outside north to south, inside south to north, inside south to north, and outside north to south. Magnetic field line always exist in closed loop, but electric field line never exist in closed loop. Pole strength south negative M, north positive M. Substandard magnitude field line. Substandard magnitude field line. Circular wire magnetic field line. Ampere's circuital law. B vector dot di is equal to mu naught I in current inside closed loop. Net magnetic field due to wire. Directions of positive current. Curl finger of right hand in the directions of taken arrow on closed loop, then the directions of thumb give directions of positive current. Calculations of magnetic field using the ampere circuital law. Infinite strength B is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi r. Infinite straight wire, hollow solid, hollow infinite wire inside capital R is greater than small r. B is equal to 0. Outside small r greater than capital R. B is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi r.